Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. I'm just trying to update you guys on the Dash app issue of the failed transaction, especially the ones that will show successful at the end of the day and you don't get your funds back. Currently, right now, they started refunding all wallets, all apps, all logins for back their funds, and they are even refunding some multiple folds. I myself actually got back. I had the chargeback issue actually, but it was reversed instantly. But I noticed lately I'm getting some refunds for funds that were not even meant to be mine. But since I know it's not my fund, I'm not supposed to take it. So what I do is I only use what is meant for me, what is actually my real fund. Because this kind of situation, if you even take money that is meant for them, I believe there's always backlash for things like this. Because once you decide to think you can just take their money and run with it or something, one thing will surely happen. It's either they punish you by blocking your app, or they track your account and blacklist your BVN, or if everybody keep doing this, you might end up making them lose their project and lose their work, hard-earned work. Because I know it's just some very poor staff, back-end staff that are doing this thing, because they are not very good with what they do. That's just what I think here. Because you can't just be funding people excess money just like that. That's very wrong. That's very, very wrong. It's unprofessional. How can you be funding multiple amounts of money? Let me show you. My balance is supposed to be sorry. My balance is actually supposed to be 104. But what I'm seeing in my balance, oops, this app is not coming up. But what I'm seeing right now is over 400,000 naira, which is not supposed to be. It is not supposed to be. So that means I got excess of multiple times 4 of what I'm supposed to get. So that means I have excess of like 300 plus, which is not supposed to be so. And that doesn't mean I should just go and just take funds that is not mine. I don't do such things. But I'm just urging you, my viewers, to not be a party to this kind of thing if you are one of those people that have been using Dash app. So please refrain from it. Please. These people are also in for making profit. You taking their money means you're stealing from them and they are losing money. I don't think anyone will be happy to see somebody they are making money from collapsing. Once they collapse now, it means you can't do business as well. You are not using your short-term gain just to lose what you can earn in the future. You can actually, this app has been very great. It has been helping a lot of Africans sending money from one country to the other without even going to the bank or some other places. This has been really, really helpful to us. Guys, please, don't let your greed make decisions for you, please. So let me show you my balance right now. Though the balance of times it do take time to reflect. That's how the app behaves at times. You can see now it's showing 302,450. The reason why it's showing 302 now is because I have actually withdrew my 100,000 that's supposed to be my balance. This 302 you're seeing here is the excess I got, which I'm not touching because it's not my money. It's for them. I believe they will get to discover the issue and they will work on it. And I pray and hope that will actually work on their staff, back-end staff, especially their reconciliation team and their support team especially. Those people really need to work on them, because to be very, very honest, I don't expect professionals to behave in this manner. It is a very, very poor decision. It's a very poor act. You don't do such thing. No matter how much pressure your customers put on you, you still need to make sure you do your check-ins very well to ensure that you are doing the right thing. It's better to take time doing the right thing than rushing and end up doing the wrong thing. That will make even your customers lose trust in you, because they believe that these people can be making this How am I sure that one day they will not just over debit my account? That's what this simply means. So guys, please and please, let's support Dash. Let's support Dash. Let's not take their money. Just try to control your greed. Don't let it control you. Because if you make money from them, you can keep making money and doing transactions every now and then, sending money to your people outside your country, Kenya, Ghana, and so on. Or if they lost huge amount of money now and they pack up, I don't think there is none of us that will gain from seeing them collapsing. It shouldn't be the reason why someone will be losing their source of livelihood. Please, guys, let's really be human here. Please, just imagine it's your business. Just imagine it's your business. If you put yourself in their shoes, you will understand what I'm saying better. So thank you very much, please. So I believe almost everybody should have received their refund by now. So I hope you all understand with me and don't see it in other way around. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you're just coming to the channel for the first time, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you can also like the video and also share with your friends and family for them to be aware of this. So thank you very much, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.